Welcome, beautiful soul. This is your sacred time to rest, to release, and to receive. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without disturbance. Let your body begin to soften. Close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in. And exhale gently, releasing any tension you've been carrying. Let's begin our journey. Imagine yourself walking into a peaceful garden after the rain. The air is fresh and cool. Above you, a magnificent rainbow stretches across the sky. Take a few moments to look up and admire its beauty. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Each color shines with life. Breathe in the rainbow light. Feel each color balancing your energy and bringing peace within. As you walk further, you notice 3 boxes and a bag on the path ahead. Pick up the bag. Place the 3 boxes gently inside the bag. It feels a little heavy, but that's okay. You'll understand soon. Now, keep walking. You see a beautiful gate in front of you. It isn't locked. Push the gate open and step inside. You notice a staircase leading down into another part of the garden. Let's walk down together, slowly, step by step. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Go deeper and deeper. 5, 4. Deeper. 3, 2, 1. You've arrived. This garden feels alive. Flowers blooming, birds singing, and the wind gently moving the grass. Take some time to enjoy this safe, beautiful space. As you explore, a crane lands gracefully before you. It looks at you kindly and says, "Give me your first box." You take out the first box. It feels heavy. It holds your fears. Imagine all your fears inside this box, every burden you've carried. Hand the box to the crane. Watch as it flies away, carrying your fears far, far from you. You feel lighter now. Take a deep breath and exhale relief. As you continue to explore to garden, a gentle animal appears. It may be a deer, a fox, or any creature you sense. It asks for your second box. Place all your worries into the box, everything that has weighed on your mind. Hand it over with love. The animal carries your worries away until it disappears from your sight. You feel calm, spacious, free. A soft voice whispers, "Open your last box." You took out the last box and open it. A brilliant white light bursts out. The light surrounds you, fills the garden, and gently flows into your body. You feel the light on your skin, your chest, your heart, and your entire being. This light carries everything you need: love, courage, motivation, self-belief, abundance, peace, anything you've wished for. Your body is recharging. Every cell sparkles with new energy. You are radiant. You are whole. When you're ready, begin walking back towards the garden entrance. With each step, you feel strong, renewed, at peace. You see the staircase ahead. Let's walk up together. 1, 2, 3. Go higher. 4, 5, and higher. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You've reached the entrance of the garden. The gate is open, and above it shines the rainbow once again. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Each color shines on you with strength and renewal. Take one last deep breath in, and gently exhale, releasing all that no longer serves you. Notice how peaceful your body feels right now. Light, relaxed, whole. This healing light will stay with you, guiding and supporting you through the day. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, or you may drift into deep, restful sleep.